Top 10 Small Dog Breeds. Welcome to our video showcasing 10 delightful small dog breeds. From the tiny Chihuahua to the charming Pomeranian, these adorable canines are sure to capture your heart. Join us as we explore their unique characteristics, personalities, and the joy they bring to our lives. Whether you're a fan of the elegant Maltese or the playful Shih Tzu, you'll discover the distinct qualities that make each of these small dog breeds special. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a journey through the wonderful world of these pint-sized companions. Let's dive in and celebrate the incredible variety of small dogs that bring happiness and love into our homes. Chihuahuas are the smallest dog breed in the world. They are known for their tiny size, often weighing between 2 and 6 pounds, 0.9 to 2.7 kilograms. Despite their small stature, Chihuahuas are often bold, confident, and make loyal companions. Pomeranians are small and fluffy dogs that are full of energy. They typically weigh around 3 to 7 pounds, 1.4 to 3.2 kilograms, and have a distinctive double coat. Pomeranians are known for their lovely and playful personalities, making them a fun addition to any household. Yorkshire Terriers, or Yorkies, are small and elegant dogs with long, silky coat. They typically weigh around 4 to 7 pounds, 1.8 to 3.2 kilograms. Yorkies are known for their confident and feisty personalities, often making them fearless companions despite their small size. Maltese dogs are small and white with luxurious, long hair. They usually weigh around 4 to 7 pounds, 1.8 to 3.2 kilograms. Maltese dogs are gentle and affectionate, often forming strong bonds with their human family members. Shih Tzus are small, friendly dogs known for their distinctively long, flowing coats. They typically weigh between 9 and 16 pounds, 4.1 to 7.3 kilograms. Shih Tzus are often characterized as affectionate, outgoing, and great companions for families. Boston Terriers are small, muscular dogs that usually weigh between 10 and 25 pounds, 4.5 to 11.3 kilograms. They have a friendly and outgoing nature, making them excellent companions. Boston Terriers are often referred to as the American gentleman, due to their tuxedo-like markings. French Bulldogs are small, compact dogs with a distinctive appearance and bat-like ears. They typically weigh between 16 and 28 pounds, 7.3 to 12.7 kilograms. Despite their small size, French Bulldogs have a friendly and easygoing personality, making them popular as companions. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are small, elegant dogs known for their beautiful, silky coats. They usually weigh between 13 and 18 pounds, 5.9 to 8.2 kilograms. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are affectionate and gentle, and often excel in forming strong bonds with their human family. Dachshunds, also known as wiener dogs, are small dogs with long bodies and short legs. They come in different coat varieties and usually weigh between 16 and 32 pounds, 7.3 to 14.5 kilograms. Dachshunds are known for their lively and friendly personalities. Pugs are small, sturdy dogs with distinct wrinkled faces and curly tails. They typically weigh between 14 and 18 pounds, 6.4 to 8.2 kilograms. In summary, these 10 small dog breeds encompass a range of sizes, appearances, and temperaments. From the tiny Chihuahua to the spunky Pomeranian and elegant Maltese, small dog breeds offer a diverse array of choices for those seeking a compact and adorable companion.